finally, of course, good governance can really be achieved. It is more than legal and administrative justice. It is a declaration of our city's intent to reimagine, reinvent, and revitalize commercial spaces that matter not only to our entrepreneurs or tenants, but also to the people of the city of Baguio. Itong lugar po na ito ay pag-aari po ng siyudad ng Baguio. Ang may-ari po ng titulo nitong lugar na ito, dalawa po yung titulo nito, pag-aari po ng siyudad ng Baguio. So it does not only belong to the tenants of Baguio, but it belongs to the people of Baguio. The Maharlika Livelihood Complex has long been a central hub for commerce and community interaction. And under the stewardship of the city government, we aim to transform it into a model of sustainable, livable, inclusive, and locally empowered. So what is our expectation, especially our tenants and the people of Baguio? Maraming nagdududa kung paano ba kami committed. Talaga bang protektahan namin ang interest ng ating tenants? Unahin ko po, we are here to protect the interest of our tenants, but also to protect the interest of the people of Baguio. Para malaman lang mo ninyo kung gaano kami committed, magprotektahan kayong lahat. Tatandaan mo niyo siguro 2 years ago, nagkaroon mo tayo ng sunog dyan sa market. Sabi ko sa akin, what is the prognosis? Sabi ko sa ating mga engineers. Sabi nila, sir, it will take us 3 months to bring down everything and to put up para makabalik ng ating mga MSMEs. O kaya itong ating mga vendors, entrepreneurs, natin. Sabi ko, in short, 1,800 out of the 3,900. Walang livelihood. Walang hanap buhay. And so my order was that we don't have 3 months, but we only have 7 weeks or 7 days. And in 7 days, nakita nyo naman siguro na naipalik namin lahat yung ating mga vendors. So that's how we are. Araw-araw kami ang naglinis doon. Out of the almost 3,900 vendors, times 2 na lang natin, assuming na 2 per stall. May mga 7,000 dyan, ng mga dapat mga vendors, na nagtrabaho dapat during that 7th day. Just would like to inform you, naswerte na lang kung meron 20 ng mga vendors out of the 7,000 tumulong sa akin para linisin yung work area nila. 20 out of the 7,000 ng mga vendors. Kaya makikita nyo kung gaano kami committed. In the same manner, July 16, 2024, nagkaroon kami ng sulog dyan. Nakita ko kagad yung problema ni General Arevalo. That early morning, he was there. He was very much worried. Nung sinabi natin sa kanya, don't you worry, Robert. In one day, ayusin natin nila. In fact, nakita ko pa na medyo, sabi ni Robert, sir, kakayanin pa talaga natin. Sabi ko, in one day, ayusin natin. Bakit one day lang dapat? Because we're very much concerned about your livelihood. And so in just one day, nakita nyo naman siguro, we try to restore as much as possible normality in this facility. Yun ang pinag-uusapan natin eh. We cannot afford na walang hanap buhay yung mga tenants. Ilan sa inyo ang tumulong sa amin dyan sa parking area? Isipin nyo, ilan ang tumulong sa amin dyan? I was there. Major General Robert was there. Kaya kita nyo, please don't doubt our commitment. Please. At sana, iwasan nyo na nakikinig kayo sa mga sinungaling. Tapos na ang politika, tapos ng eleksyon. Huwag na huwag kayong makikinig dyan sa mga sinungaling. Please. Dahil ang mapapakinggan nyo sa amin ay tawa. I was really surprised as well. We called for a dialogue here about 2 months ago. We were expecting everyone to be here para at least marinig nyo sa amin ano ba ang plano natin. And until now, marami pa rin sa inyo nagdudula. We only speak the truth. So please, huwag mo kayo makikinig sa mga intriga, sa mga rumors, na wala naman silang gagawin, kundi maninira lang. Makinig ko kayo sa amin. Tanong ko sa inyo, ito ho ba original design ng Maharlika? Kayo na ho nagsabi sa amin. Pangalawa, sinabi nyo sa amin kanina, sana ho, isa yan sa mga expectations nyo. Sana ho, maibaba ang renta. Very good. In the same manner, kami po, together with the City Council, we are determined na bumaba yung mga binabayaran nyo. Isang paraan lang, tatanggalin ho natin yung subleasing ko dyan. Marami na ho nakasimangon dyan. We are here to protect the interest of the present occupant. Bawal ho ang subleasing dito sa syudad ng Baguio. At tulad ho nangyayari ho dyan sa market na yan. Marami na ho kaming naayos dyan, pero marami pa rin kalukuhan yung market na yan. Ayaw ho namin mangyari dito yan sa Maharlika. So please, definitely tatanggalin ho namin ang subleasing. The City Council will pass an ordinance disallowing, prohibiting subleasing. We would like to thank our HDC and the Department of Agriculture for working with us in the spirit of cooperation. I would like again to express my thanks to Major General Robert Arevalo. Thank you very much, Robert. You've done a lot for this. And thank you very much for all the cooperation, for all the coordination that we have done for the past 4 months or 5 months to make sure that magiging smooth ang transition natin. It is our commitment to put the public interest first. As the local government of Baguio takes over the management of this commercial complex, rest assured na kung anuman ang desisyon na mangyayari dito, we're going to engage and involve our tenants and of course representatives from the different sector of our parish residents in the city of Baguio. Kasama po kayo sa plano namin. Hindi po namin kayo bibiglayin. Lahat po kayo, kami po yung representative nyo, papakinggan po namin yan. Ganun din po ang gagawin ng City Council. Wala akong basta-basta na lang na bibigay ng instruction, bigla na lang yung mabibigla, bakit na lang konsulta. Ulitin ko, magkakaroon mo ng consultation every time mo, pati mo yung pagplano kung paano re-rehabilitate ito, i-renovate ito, aayusin ito, context na ito, kasama ko kayo dyan. Pagplano dyan at the same time, kasama ko we're going to make sure that there will be livelihood, there will be progress, and most importantly, there will be dignity in this facility. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.